It's been 86 years since our first interstellar visitor. Comet Oumuamua made its historic voyage through our solar system. And for over 50 years, it was believed to be the only interstellar object to ever set foot in our cosmic backyard. That all changed in October 2017, when Comet Hyakutake gracefully glided through the solar system and became the second known interstellar visitor. Now, nearly 7 years later, we're on the brink of welcoming our third interstellar guest, and this one's quite special. Over the past few months, astronomers have been eagerly anticipating the arrival of Comet 3I Atlas, our third confirmed interstellar visitor, which is not just any ordinary comet. It is an icy time capsule from another star system that has embarked on a cosmic journey spanning nearly 600 million years to reach us. In other words, this comet has been traveling for 500 million years to get here. This is the first time humanity will have the opportunity to observe and study such an ancient visitor up close. We've never before had a front-row seat to an interstellar comet that's been barreling towards us for so long. But exactly how far away is it? How fast is it moving? And when will it pass Earth? Good news, guys, because we've got all the answers for you today. So without further ado, let's dive right into this week's episode. Number 4. A celestial guest from afar. The first record of Comet 3I Atlas dates back to February 2019, when it was spotted by NASA's Solar Terrestrial Relations Observatory, otherwise known as STEREO. This comet was initially classified as a periodic comet, suggesting that it would return every few hundred or thousand years. But as astronomers continued tracking its trajectory, they realized it was actually following an elongated path around the Sun, hinting at its interstellar origins. Eventually, scientists confirmed that 3I Atlas didn't belong to our solar system and was indeed an interstellar visitor coming from a distant star system. Now, one of the intriguing aspects of 3I Atlas is that its highly elliptical orbit extends as far out as 320 astronomical units from the Sun before curving back towards the Sun and passing. For those who don't know what an astronomical unit is, it's basically the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, which is about 150 million kilometers. So 320 astronomical units is very, very far away. No? 3. The epic journey of 500 million years. Since its discovery, scientists have been analyzing data from various telescopes and missions like NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, or SDO, to piece together the story of this celestial traveler. They discovered that 3I Atlas is about 4 kilometers wide, comparable in size to Comet Oumuamua. What sets 3I Atlas apart is its composition, which seems to contain more carbon dioxide ice and less water ice than Oumuamua. Based on its size and composition, astronomers estimate that the comet weighs roughly 100 trillion tons, with a mass about 4 times greater than that of Comet Hyakutake. The real mystery, though, lies in the length of its orbit. Unlike most comets, whose orbits are relatively short, 3I Atlas takes a mind-boggling 657,000 years to complete just one trip around the Sun. To put that in perspective, if human beings were to travel at the speed of light, it would still take us over 7 minutes to reach our nearest stellar neighbor, Alpha Centauri. And yet this celestial wanderer has traversed distances many times greater than that in just 1 year. Just imagine the incredible journey it must have undertaken over 500 million years. At this point, you might be wondering where it's coming from and where it's going. Unfortunately, pinpointing the exact location of a comet millions of kilometers away is a challenging task. However, scientists have managed to trace 3I Atlas's path, and they believe that it entered our solar system from the right upper quadrant, passing close to Jupiter. Its path then took it past Saturn and Neptune before venturing into the outermost regions of our solar system. Currently, the comet is cruising along at a speed of approximately 27 kilometers per second, having sped up significantly due to gravitational interactions with massive planets like Jupiter. No. 2. Glimpsing the past. As 3I Atlas makes its way closer to the Sun, astronomers are gearing up for an exciting spectacle, a sequence of comet-related phenomena. First up is coma formation, which kicks off when the comet gets within 2 billion kilometers of the Sun. At this point, the intense solar radiation begins to vaporize the comet's surface, creating a hazy cloud of dust and gas around the nucleus known as the coma. Next comes the tail, which starts forming when the coma expands to about 10,000 kilometers in diameter. The solar wind then sweeps away the coma material, giving rise to the iconic tail we associate with comets. Additionally, the sunlight reflecting off these dust particles creates a beautiful blue-green glow, making the tail visible even during the day. Interestingly, Comet 3I ATLAS won't form a tail until it reaches a distance of 100 astronomical units from the Sun. But wait, there's more. Because 3I Atlas is an interstellar visitor, it's covered in dust and gas that have remained frozen for 500 million years. As it approaches the Sun, these materials will start to vaporize, revealing pristine ices from the early days of our universe. This is an incredible opportunity for scientists to analyze the chemical makeup of material from an interstellar comet that formed before the Sun ignited, providing valuable insights into the conditions that prevailed in the early stages of our universe. Imagine getting a first-hand glimpse of what our solar system looked like before the Sun turned on. It's truly mind-blowing. No. When will it pass Earth? By now, you might be wondering when you can catch a glimpse of this celestial wonder for yourself. The best time to observe. Comet 3I ATLAS will be in February 2024, when it reaches its closest approach to Earth at a distance of 1.2 astronomical units, or about 180 million kilometers. While it may not be visible to the naked eye, astronomers are planning to use powerful tools like the James Webb Space Telescope to capture stunning images and videos of the comet. In fact, they're so confident about their observation capabilities that they're already sharing simulated images of what they expect to see. These simulations are based on observations of similar comets and provide an idea of the stunning views that await us. However, for those of you who are eager to catch a glimpse of the comet without the aid of a telescope, there is some good news. Although it won't be visible to the naked eye at its closest approach, 3I Atlas will be bright enough to be captured by smartphone cameras. Keep in mind that you'll need a clear view of the night sky to spot it. In conclusion, our third interstellar visitor is on its way and promises to be a remarkable sight as it approaches Earth. Comet 3I ATLAS has been traveling for 500 million years to reach us and offers a unique opportunity to study pristine ices from the early universe. While it may not be visible to the naked eye, astronomers are poised to capture stunning images and videos that will allow us to marvel at this celestial wonder from afar. So mark your calendars for February 2024, when Comet 3I Atlas will make its closest approach to Earth and bring a piece of the universe's history to our skies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more updates on space exploration. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.